Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Good evening. Welcome, chat. Welcome, everyone. Great to have you onboarded. So happy to be out here. Come on, guys. Let's smash this today. We're gonna smash it today. Do we? Look at that. What's up, everyone? How's your day? How is trading going around? Trading still above today's opening. Still having a good time. Oh yeah. Well. We are back. Good morning, good evening, good day, good afternoon. Initially, I had a Friday confusion in my title, but today used to be Thursday, not Friday. So we don't have any red folders today, but we've got them tomorrow, Friday. 3 different red folders that will act quite heavily in our pocket. We don't handle the process. Good job. I'm happy to trade my FundedSeat Daily Ultra. Really happy about that one, guys. We have our account ready to go. It is here. That's the evaluation. This is the SIM funded. And we're gonna start trading with that. Believe it or not, we're gonna start trading with that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. We're gonna take it slowly, really slowly today. Today's low, sitting above the weekly opening, which used to be a bullish sign. We had a gap. We did have a gap. Has been totally filled up nicely. Boom. Undercutting before that whole liquidity, and then we had a great run from the 400s up to 662. What are you guys expecting here? We do have a significant double top playing out, but I think we're gonna give it a try for a breakout today. 662. What do you guys think about it? Hello, good day, good morning, good evening. 29,400. Yeah, 400 is marking weekly opening 200 EMA, today's low. That is an important level. Double top, double bottom here. How likely is an important question, I would say. How likely? We're gonna find it out. I don't think it's very likely. I think it's just likely. Yeah. I do believe we do have some interesting levels. A little higher than 390s. A little higher than that. Good morning, good day, guys. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation. Feel free to invite people. Come on. Feel free to invite people on board. We are live. And we're gonna smash this with some nice daily payouts from Lucid, from FundedSeat. I think we're gonna be on fire today. No trades so far from me. Good morning, good day. Great to have you onboarded, guys. I'm feeling good about the markets. I don't mind sitting above the daily VWAP and the opening, including today's low being above the weekly opening is a great sign. The gap has been filled up. This whole thing is going to surprise people heavily if we're not coming back to... Oops. If we're not coming back to 400s, this is going to surprise people. Yeah. Which I think is a nice fuel for extra longs. Feel free to go out there in Discord communities, Telegram, WhatsApp, all the places you guys are aware, and invite people on board. Thank you so much for joining. We didn't have Martin. I got confused. It's not Friday today, it's Thursday. I got confused on my Discord. We didn't have anything for today. No red folders today for the Thursday. Are you ready for the fireworks? Beautiful. You bet I want to do that as soon as possible. Matching with some nice payouts. That's what I want to do. 28th. Friday the 28th is going to be. I'm probably going to test a little long. Soon. Daytime fireworks. Indeed. We're stacked up. This is the place I'm testing out a little long. 20 contracts. 20 micros long. For a nice rejection. And a few points. On this fresh funded daily ultra from FundedSeat, guys. No consistency, no cap, daily payouts. End of the day drawdown throughout the whole process. Look at that lovely money. Technically, I could take that money out. If I stop the trade here, I could take that 200 bucks, 300 out. But I don't want to do that. You guys know we've cashed out on Friday from a such model of account 8,800. Yeah. Look at that. Somehow, they've been waiting for my entry to reverse the price action. Am I right? Indeed, solitude. The buffer? No. They don't have a buffer. So I can stop this trade here and take the money out. But then the max loss is going to be original balance plus my 100 bucks, right? So it makes no sense. Cashing out here makes no sense. Your drawdown is moving to your original balance plus 100 bucks. I'm adding a little more to this. Even more. Nah, we can't do more. But we're still happy with this amount of money we've got here. Not in a way of exiting. You don't need 4 consecutive days for FundedSeat Daily Ultra. No, no. For the flex, but this is Daily Ultra. Yeah, for flex you need 4 days. Certainly not looking like a bad situation here to sell partially. I'm fully out here. $570, guys. Celebration time. That is a great way to kickstart. 570 bucks. Boom. Before I take out the minimum with my first payout, I want to do slightly more than 4,000. That's my strategy. $7.15. Ooh. I'll better take 570 than 750s. 715, right? Maybe 570 is better. The profits we've just secured is better. It's important to kickstart with a good feeling and confidence your first trade of the day. To be on the green side. Not an issue for me starting red. It gives me extra motivation, an extra boost in terms of quality. So I'm not in danger either way. I think 525, 540s. I can reload on a nice long. Eventually I can reload. And have a good time. Having a good time. Having a good time. Is on fire. We don't know who's getting terrified, do we? We gotta trade some blue sky, some Lucid. Lucid is on fire. Look at those rejections. I do know when to cut it away. So everyone get ready for the first giveaway happening soon. Yeah, make sure to complete the form, sign up, and like the video, everyone, guys. Get ready for the first giveaway. Join our Discord, all those things as we usually perform. Nasty Nasdaq is playing dirty games. I like it. Wondering about a daily opening 500s. I'm just wondering. I'm not gonna disrespect anyone. Pushing on me with a nice long. Do I? No. I'm just wondering. $4.99 daily opening. perfectly undercutting below this wick, driving them mad. All that buying pressure running away. Where is it? You see, we're not holding for 715. We're out for 570. Good morning, good day, guys. 499 is an interesting level. As long as it plays out. As long as it plays out. We're not sitting in a short. We're not in need of doing that. Welcome, everyone. Good day, guys. Good to have you onboarded. Thank you so much for joining. There's nothing to trust here for a long. Nothing. And the previous long red candle we closed with that massive inefficiency constructed on a daily VWAP. Attention, inefficiency candle sitting on the VWAP is no way not gonna be revisited. Which is not a big deal, it's just a few points. But the thing is, you might find an entry around the lows. You might find an entry around the lows and you can nicely target this mad boy. It's not gonna remain untouched. And we still have a lot of things happening for the New York session. Oh yeah. We will smash this big time. But I'm still not shorting. I am still not shorting. Good morning, good day. What do you guys think about this? Minimum retest. There is a downtrending resistance line here, which has been perfectly respected so far. This is one way to look at things. Another way to look at things is come back to yesterday high, today's low, weekly opening, 200 EMA zone. The zone is between 437 all the way down to 388. So you kind of have 50 points of possible reaction, which is something I'm not really liking when we have a zone covering 50 points of possible reaction places, which is the place you go by. 430s or 388 is a big difference for my sizing. Up earnings. We're always downtrending. The second day of Nvidia earnings, we're always downtrending. It has not been like that for the whole day. We're trading below the, actually above the daily opening, which is a decent sign. But the history could repeat. 442. Yeah, there is a lot happening on those levels. Starting with that level lower, there is a lot happening. And this is the moment it's hard bidding when you have a 50-60 points zone of possible great reactions. You need a proper strategy constructing your position on that 50 points distance. A proper strategy. Ideally, you'd like to construct your position in the lower side of that zone so you can split the zone by half and start building in DCA in the lower side of the zone. That's one way to go by. Of course, if you get your initial movement from the upper side of the zone, you're going to be left out. And chasing might not be the name of the game. 406. All these places are possible levels to be touched by the shorts that are certainly having a great time. And that's the reality. Are we on fire? This is a slow bleeding pattern. The only one thing that could nicely change it is the hourly opening. The flat hourly opening could change this model. But I got this 570 pizza money, which is so hard to give it back. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Looking into the 5-minute perspective, not disappointed. Even this level is interesting to me on a short term or a very short term. We have to take it step by step today. No rush. We have some Lucid daily to perform on funded stage. All the ones I want to perform today are sitting on funded stage. I'm not feeling comfortable shorting this kind of situations. Look at that. That's an interesting candle. Interesting candle for the 5-minute too. Are we gonna build something on top of this? If we react here and we move, you will say it was a clear double bottom. Absolutely normal to expect the reaction. But at the time we're sitting here, we have the tendency of expecting the 400s. Look at that. This is a little different. This is a little different. Market is present. It is my nickname. It's really hard trading days. We're not going to chase it. We're not going to chase it. Yeah, I'm gonna bid anything around the daily opening or close to that. Right, anything around the 500s, I'm gonna bid that. I'll go for it, guys. You gotta wish me good luck. If I get it, I'll go for it. So we have a Lucid daily funded, which is only 450 bucks away from the max loss, 450. And we're gonna try to rescue. We're gonna try to rescue this account. It's just 450 bucks away from the max loss. And as I said, we'll not give up on this. We will try to rescue. Still not trusting this that much. Look at the charts. Protection comes in from 520s. We might be able to do something interesting. We might be able. But the things are really slow here. I haven't longed it. I've not been chasing this. I'm shorting it. I'm testing a little short, guys. Because I have a clear invalidation for the upside, that's why. So I can perfectly get out if things go wrong without being cooked. We have a 547 profit. So we're sitting nicely on right there. Look at that one. Good morning, buddy. Good morning, good evening, good day. We are printing. Ha ha ha. Oh, it's still sliding. Oh. Yes, funded daily ultra. Daily ultra funded the first day, the one we passed yesterday. So we have daily payouts, no consistency, and no cap. If I get out here and take the money out, I can walk away with a pizza. Look at that. $800. Totally. $900. No buffer, but the max loss will be moved to your original balance plus 100. Right, so essentially you don't want to take a payout here and then have a max loss where? Next to you. You don't have a buffer. You can take your money out here. It's just the max loss is coming around the... Ooh, what are they doing here? Because I'm adding to this short. I am a nasty guy adding to my short. Haha. Oh. Wouldn't mind securing a few thousands. Would not mind it at all. But we gotta go stop loss break even. Do you hear me? Yeah, we gotta go right now. Stop loss break even. Oh my gosh. Not yet. Let me take my stop loss away a little. Give it more space and time for this thing to... Yeah, I can do it right now. Right above the wick. So we're trailing for 87 bucks. Target for downside? We don't have a target for downside. We don't need a target for downside. Yeah, trailing touched. Damn. Damn, silly. That was a good chance for a cliff, guys, wasn't it? That was a good chance. What are they up to? Not leaving this one. Have a nice drop. What are they up to? Green is still green. Indeed. It excludes the risk of losses and everything that comes with that. Look at that. If you don't trail, you get burned, baby. We got in along for our Lucid daily funded, the one we have to rescue, which is just $300 away from the max loss. We lost 190 earlier. Come on. You can't trade there. There's regulatory. You can't buy an account. You can't trade. You cannot trade there. Regulatory stuff. I think it's something coming around the data. Market data. They gotta upgrade. They gotta tweak on that and handle that. They're working on it. This would be a nice winner, guys, on 556. I can tell you, if we successfully catch that, that's gonna be massive for me. A 556 movement for my Lucid daily. We're break even here, which is certainly something I wouldn't like to deal with. We need profits. That's what you think, Matty? A little pump and dump? Oh, look at a beautiful thing, guys. Just a little higher, but I'm really cautious out here. I'm cutting half of this. Yeah, I sold half of it. Guess what? We had to do it. And I'm targeting the top of the inefficiency candle from the left side. And that's it. With a stop loss right there, trailing. I would actually take everything out. Yes, 741. And I'll tell you why. When you're just a few $100 away from the max loss, making 741, I've doubled my max loss. I've doubled my max loss with this profit, so that's a massive celebration, and we're gonna do that. Here we go, guys, with the fireworks. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. 741 keeps the doctor away. You gotta move out of your country to trade FS. I perform a lot better. 90% of the profits and the trades that I do are happening pre-New York. So let me tell you, cash on hand, we started today with 147,158. And the max loss was auto liquidate threshold 146,704. You know, that's $454 drawdown. $454 drawdown. We made 741. That is increasing the drawdown almost by 200%. We closed at the target, buddy, Kim. We made 20K on the Big Belly accounts, $20,000. Let me share with you that one, guys. This is running higher than expected, right? I can share with you my Big Belly. We made a whole lot of money there. 20 grand on each account. Which is good. We have not been trading the Big Belly in a while. Here's the Big Belly account, right? So we've now been trading him since 21st. Yesterday made $20,000. Increasing the drawdown limit by 200%. We had $400, $450 drawdown, max loss. And we made close to $800. That means an increase of the max loss by almost 200%. Which is juicy, baby. Yet I care about this account today a lot. What if we do another 10,000 here and we smash for a payout? And we got a fresh Lucid daily to trade. We got the Lucid daily trade on the account. We cashed out 1,800. So things are happening. I've cashed out from the Big Belly a lot. $153. But we don't have drawdown here. Just about 1,100. That's the drawdown we have, and we have to negotiate with it. Somehow we have to negotiate with that. It's gonna trail at some point. It's a funded account. It's gonna trail at some point. But we still have to increase the balance for this thing to resume trailing. Yeah, I can hold along at the opening. Yeah, I do have an example, Fred. Just reach out to me on Discord and I'm gonna share with you an example, Fred. A great website where you can do that. Reach out to me. Holding along at the opening, well, with $1,000 on the drawdown side. I don't think I'll say no. $600 here, guys. I want to make a little more. Plus, I got myself a fresh evaluation today of the same daily ultra. You know, with their latest things, you can only have 2 totally of daily ultra. 2. You can run from the other model of accounts 3 more, so you can have totally 5, but maximum 2 daily ultra. They saw me taking out 8,800 after 3 days, and they said, what if this guy is copy trading? On 5 accounts. Do the math. 8,800 times 5. $44,000 in 3 days of trading. They would have said, no, let's just keep it around 2 accounts for this daily ultra. It's end of the day. I can do that, Maddie, with the big belly accounts. Let's see if we can get some momentum here without being scared, because we have a great invalidation of this supply. If supply holds and delivers, I have a great validation. I don't mind getting in along here, which is risky because it's a nice supply and shorts delivering so far. I don't mind doing that knowing we have a great invalidation. So I'm pretty much going against the things that are short-term dominant here, possibly for the next leg. Yes. Holding with the big bellies at the opening on 10 minis, you can do... Oh, look at that one, guys. Going against the freaking price action. Ha 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 ha. But you know what? I'm gonna soon cut it away, because they might be nasty with me. And we don't want them to give them a chance to be nasty. $505. $505 paper US dollars is a good target, boy. You gotta go against of what you would trade sometimes. Oh, you see the wrong account. Here's this one. You were on the wrong tab. Damn freaking thing, they denied the whole thing. Damn freaking thing. No. They just denied me. Attacked me and denied me. Wow. We're gonna do the first giveaway soon, guys, so make sure you're onboarded. Make sure you've liked the video, subscribed, joined our Discord, and filled up the form. There is 80 people that haven't done this, and they're not going to be able to claim the account. And should certainly not wonder why, or complain on that. The rules are simple. Actually, very simple. If they go nasty, we're cutting. I've cut a little bit, guys. I've cut a little bit. And I'm increasing my target. In case we get a nice runner. Beautiful. I don't mind this is running just 5 seconds. I caught 10 contracts. Don't worry. We've increased the target. I'm thinking about longing my Lucid as well, but I'm not going to do it. We're just going to sit in this long and taste it. Hey, go, go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep going, buddy. Keep going a little bit higher. I'm here. I've sold half of it. I'm fully out, guys. $926 profit. Let's go celebrate. Celebration time. Daily ultra. No consistency. No target. And no cap. Boom. Here's the link, fellas. Max discount, pretty much all the firm's Scrembo code. And not just the discount, not just the maximum, also extra spice of luckiness that you can't really trade without. Look at the exit we had and tell me I'm an idiot. Have a look at the exit. Have a look at the candle. And tell me I have no idea what's happening. Look at that. You see the rejection? Well, indeed. Indeed, we're looking fine. Haven't got into my Lucid. No, I told you, if I chase, I'll pay the price of the mistake. Chasing is a mistake most of the time. Especially if it comes from an emotional standpoint. Chasing, because getting into a trade just because you want to make money. No one cares. Market is not going to reward you. Right? Think about it, guys. The market is not going to reward you just because you want to make money. Will it? No. Very unlikely you get something. Good morning, good day. Indeed, Formula tells you something today. So we're gonna have that 7 on the wheel. Might be about the number 7 today, guys. Haha. 570 is good. You got some 20 points already. And this might be going a little bit lower. So in other words, you're in good hands. You might have a potential temporary tap here. Alright guys, let's do the first round of giveaways. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. The first round of giveaways. Time to do it right now. We need a wheel, we need the ducks, and we need formula. You guys should wonder how to participate. You guys should wonder. And I can tell you. So fill up the form, participation form of today. Of today. Of all giveaways. Then the next thing you gotta do is like the video. Be subscribed to this YouTube channel with notification bell turned on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM AST time with daily giveaways and live education. Then you gotta join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory conditions. There is a gap between people watching and likes of about 70. So these guys will not receive the accounts if winning, because they fail to comply with the rules of participation. We're gonna have two accounts. The first one will be a 50,000 Lucid Flex. The second will be a 50,000 Blue Sky. Two accounts. I'm chilled out. Watch out for the numbers. The game is simple. We're gonna list a few entries and you have to guess the number. Only a single choice, single number. No spamming. And that's it. Watch out. 00, a single number 2, and a 777. You can start right now. Ha 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 ha. Best of luck, everyone. Keep them coming. This could be juicy. Market opens in about 8 minutes. So we want to finish this before. The first account is going to be the Lucid, the second the Blue Sky. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Be subscribed, join our Discord, fill up the form. There is 60 people that missing something. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle. Here we are. Could it be the red 7? Could be. And I think it is. It is the red 7. Oh yeah. You got this one. Red number 7, celebration, celebration, celebration. Good job, guys. That was easy, wasn't it? That was easy. That was so easy, I would say. Red 7. Comes in handy, right? But then watch out the way I'm gonna run this. 84 winners, wow. I did expect it a lot more. What's wrong with you guys? You've been trapped by the story of number 2, right? Did you? Okay. So we're gonna get you a race. We're gonna get you a race. This is going to be a difficult one, I can tell you. No one is expecting the next thing. 30 seconds competition time. Because we have the 5-minute algo coming up soon and you guys want to monetize billions of dollars. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. The first ranked is going to be the Lucid. The second one, the Blue Sky. Keep it coming. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Oh. That was it? Who's celebrating here? Reno. Reno's the Antony. Antony, you got a 50,000 flex trades by now. You got a 50,000 Blue Sky. Did you? But you see, it's time for me to check out the form. It's time to check out a form. Rinosti. Rinosti. Antony did filled up. Congratulations, buddy. Rino Stiantoni. That's a different thing. Rino Stiantoni. And then the next one trades by now. I think you got it. Trade. Oh, congratulations. You got this one. 50,000 sky for you. 50,000 sky for you. Oh, look at a pump. It is moving. It is moving. The algo is putting us... Oh! The algo is putting us... And I don't have any longs. No, no. Nothing in my pockets. Nothing. Congratulations for the winners. We'll still have giveaways today, so you don't have to rush to your jobs. We've got giveaways. We've got set you up for a nice ride. Thousands of dollars in pounds. What's the possibility of payouts from 80 accounts who are sharing monthly? No, more than 80. No, 240. We've been sharing around 240 accounts. If you can take out $1,000 on average, that's $240,000 firepower per month from giveaways. 240 accounts. I bet you like it. Market opens very, very soon. And we gotta do something about it. They say do something about it. The 5-minute algo is getting denied. You know, I'm gonna long my big bellies based on Maddie's trading insights. Maddie, we're gonna long the big bellies right before the opening. Today and tomorrow with Jackson Hole. We gotta gain some momentum and release the tiger. Yeah, I've longed my big belly. Can you guys see that? Here we go. 10 contracts. Pretty much everywhere. There's still 1 minute to go. But I want to make some more money on my FundedSeat, I can tell you. No. Have not been there. Oh, is it? That's interesting. Cheers everyone on a great green tea. And get back in business. We have 30 seconds to go. To make some ultra money. Ultra heavy money. I'm gonna ring the bell. Best of luck, everyone. Because I'm longing this one too. Of the EC8. Beautiful. We're in profit. Look at the P&L. We're in profit. We're in profit. I'm out here. Beautiful. We made some money. We made some money. And we're going to make some more. Look at that. We made some money. Do not blame me. We made some money. I had to get out at some point. We're not going to drive the props bankrupt. Oh. Re-entering in my little long here for a continuation on the funded seat. Testing if I can enter in a very top. But I can't really enter in a very top. I'm out there, guys. We made another 400. So we're 1,644 on my funded seat. And 9,000 freaking US paper dollars. I am out of the US paper. Out of this one too. 10,265 on this account for the Big Belly. That's the way you go about the opening, guys. That's the way. That's the way you go about the opening. I think that's a great achievement. I think that's a great achievement. Is it? Look at that, dumping on me. That's why I got out. Good job. Run it all the way back. A little later, probably. I'm not going to touch this for the moment. But we got out on that massive green candle. Pretty much everywhere. First move, wrong move. Yeah, it's very risky longing the closing of the first 1 minute candle on the opening. It's very risky, I can tell you, because you can be on a very top. If you get a reversal, 99% of the times comes back to the starting point of the candle. So all that distance is quite heavy, most of the time quite heavy. And might not worth it, all that distance. That's the way. Good, but it's also time to see if we can do some more money on that Lucid Daily. This one, where we made 741. It's time for truth. We have 1,100 drawdown left. And I'm wondering and questioning. So the market is running big time. Look at that. Which means it's dying. In other words, it's dying. Suffering. Oh. We're coming around the 400s. There's still a bit of it. We're coming around the 400s soon. About to touch yesterday's high. Well, the huge conjunction located is today's low weekly opening. 401 with 392. will you bid? That's my question to you guys, if you are going to bid that. And if you're going to reshort any green candle like this, any possible move like this, if you reshort it, so if you're, how convinced are you about the 400s 392 under these conditions? We haven't touched yesterday's high. How convinced or concerned are you on the possibility to work around these levels? That's the way. That's the way. I like it. Yeah. I'm good. I haven't touched anything yet. And I don't think I should be touching anything. Not even a short right now. Not even. Even though it looks interesting. Not touching. DM short. I could long with a great invalidation, but still not touching it. The risk is high. I can tell you. 242, that's a deep one. Oh. You're demanding a lot from the markets today. Yeah, well, if this level is going busted, 400s will be an easy target, but I'm going to question, obviously, the capability of that spot holding. So I'm going to have 2 contracts long. From 393 limit order for this account sitting right there. That's what I'm gonna have. Is that making sense? Bouncing here. Is it backed up by any proper reason? What do you guys think about? Any proper reason to see a significant bouncing here? Look at that one, guys. It's coming. It's freaking coming. We're touching daily opening. If we're climbing back above the daily opening, this is gaining momentum. You know, the shorts are getting wrecked. You know, a lot of the guys here heading the shorts big time. Oh, going for the 400s. Here. A lot of the shorts going for the 400s there. I'm cutting my limit order from the 390s. I'm cutting it. But shorts got wrecked from here. And now we're building on their liquidity. On the back of their liquidity. You know, if it crashes. It's not going to be easy taking this one down. With all that liquidity. Look at that. It's still going. I bet you didn't expect it just 3 candles here. And the way the whole picture was looking. Lower highs on the 1 minute structure. A perfect situation of a strong continuation. All that liquidity downwards. I bet this 3 green candles cannot be expected. And they're smashing you. If you short 460s, 470s, if you short it from there, this could be heavy on your pockets. Yeah, processing time, few hours. If it's your first pal, then it's a little longer. But it's normal, Ray. You're gonna be good with that one. Sure. Give us a message on Discord when you got the pal. Feel free to celebrate. We're all happy for you, buddy. Blusky has been online since October 2022. Can you guys believe this green candles? Or they're just sand? Sand in the eyes. Look at that. Ha ha ha. This is a huge reaction on the 5 minute. And the 15 minute is part of the nasty tape. The daily opening is getting supported. Oh yeah. They are doing a lot for this. To be protected. Are they? They are doing a lot of things for this. I'm wondering if we can close this 15 minute above 4.99. It's my first question. So Como is having more money than you. Ha ha ha. How is it possible to reach such a stage and level? Como running on bigger, stronger resources than you. Looks like we're extremely strong. Way stronger than what people thought here. There's no shorts, they got wrecked. Yeah. Shorts got wrecked. So if I would have done and I'm going to do it from now, guys. From now on, we're always going to do, how do you expect the opening to be dominated by longs or shorts? 440s level, you got in? Ooh. I guess you're the only one, Badger, with the market makers holding that 440s and launching longs. Savius has been online for many years. They're not fresh. Yeah, we're trading with Savius. But not daily. We don't have enough time to do that daily. But we're having a good time there. Suddenly, after this 15-minute candle, we start targeting today's high. Suddenly, right? Are we? Suddenly, we start targeting that's the way. You name it. You name it, fellas. We're targeting, are we targeting 662? Badger is the only one making money from 440s. He must be insane. Yeah. It's not easy chasing this trend, Fred. We're good, Jonathan. 70% of the time with a good risk management, we just gotta do the math and we're always gonna be good. We just gotta do the math to make sure the numbers are sitting on our side and then give it a go. We are good. 521. Oh. Watch out for the time being. What did you said? You want to chase the price action? That was a pretty hard one, guys. That was a pretty hard one. Not enjoyable what happened there. Oh, Dennis, sorry to hear you that. I think they can do better than that. You said long in DCA. But this is a difficult level of longing. How do you expect people longing it? This is getting wrecked. Wrecked and smashed. You think this is gonna go back? Good job, Parvin. I'm testing out a little long from here, guys. Call me crazy for doing it. But I already have decent profit on this. Haven't closed it yet. I'm out. $1,000 made, guys. 2,800 pure profits. Damn thing, guys. More than 1,000 made on this one. We have been waiting for this entry for about 20 minutes. And then made the 1,000 needed. Boom. It's daily payouts, no consistency, no cap. So I can just cash out right now. But we're not doing it. And you perfectly know why. Because we want to take the account in the best spot possible. Which means we're going to take the minimum for the first payout as soon as we cross 4,000 bucks. The thing is, we have not been trading our Lucid daily, which is 741, and we talked about. You see how disciplined I started being? This whole thing is in a different level. Ha 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 ha. This whole thing is running hot. That's the way. Look at a 2 15-minute candles, and tell me this business is bad. Because I'm not gonna trust you. It's great. 150k is always great. There's a lot of drawdown. That's the way. Is this thing going to walk down the river? Or should I relong it here? I've longed my Lucid daily. 2 contracts. I'm going for a runner, guys. 2 contracts long. We don't have too much drawdown left. Just 1,000. So we're risking, right? But I don't want to say anything more than this. Just ladder it up. Risky. With 1,000 bucks drawdown, doing 2 minis is risky. I've added more to this. We're sitting on 3 contracts. We're targeting 582. Look at that, guys. It's going to be about $2,000 profit. Can we do this? We certainly need a movement happening in this candle with all that momentum. That's the question. Can we do this, guys? 582. Go. Ah, buddy. I'm not able to put a break even here. It's too close to my entry. And if this thing reverses from here, 20 points, 25 points, we don't have drawdown to handle that. Yeah, I'm leaving this thing open. Risky with micros. What about the minis? Good job, the Yumi. Good job on that one. $400 away from the max loss here, guys. Damn freaking thing. They're hunting me. The max loss has been touched. We've tried to protect it. We have tried to protect it, but they kind of disagree with that one. Not an issue, not an issue. Here's a fresh funded. Attention, please. I'll repeat, a fresh funded. I'm still holding my nerves. I'm still holding my nerves around this. 2,878. The next giveaways will happen soon, guys. Thank you so much. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Scrembo coupon code for maximum discount at any point. It's not just about a discount, it's also the lucky side, the luckiness that comes with it. That's quite of a big reversal. I'm happy we haven't lost anything substantial or anything. Yeah. Let me be and see where is this thing moving. It's hard, guys, to trade this. We're still below the daily opening here with a possible rejection on the momentum, so the enthusiasm is pretty controlled. Yeah. It slowly grinds. We can agree on that one, can we? It slowly grinds. Testing out a little long here. This is so risky, guys. I'm not really proud of this thing. Probably gonna get out soon. A couple of bucks and we'll get out. Yeah, $100, $2,969. I mean, that's so nice that it's not worth risking anything on a FOMO model of wrong trading. I can tell you, it's not worth it. On a FOMO model of trading. Give me a break from FOMO. That today's high, 662. Should be an easy one, I can tell you. Should be an easy one. It is a good position. Staying flat is a good position. I'm not feeling this. So it's not a good thing. Surely better safe than sorry, surely. But then you say there is a lot of people making money from chasing the price action and being FOMO. Why wouldn't I? It's simple. It is an absolute wrong thing. From all the circumstances, theoretically, practically, it is wrong. Having a good shot. I'm testing out a bit of a long here if we get some momentum to cross the 600s or at least retest. Right, could be the nice time to retest the 600s. We got to DC a little bit on that one. Come on, put up the rejection, buddy. Put up the nice rejection. Put up some nice rejection. I'm not really trading the top step. We got some great options with, if you want static, we have the 200k static. We have been nicely trading from Blusky Propel. That's the link, you can find out more about it from Blusky 200k Propel, the Propel category, which means no activation fee. 200k static. Or we got the Lucid, we've got the FundedSeat Ultra accounts with daily payouts, no consistency, and no cap. So we have quite a few great options. Quite a few great options there. Little profit here, but I think I could go a little more about it. Something around that, 554. Come on, guys, 554, and I am extremely happy. I don't need more, I can tell you. Just a 554. $4,400 is what we made on the other side. There you go, we touched the 4,084, guys. We're gonna cash out from this. We're gonna take $250 from this, but we made 4,400 on my Lucid Daily. Funded stage, the fresh account we converted today. Passed yesterday, converted today. 4,410. First day. So we got the max loss locked up. This is huge. Celebration time, guys. Celebration. We just smashed this. Oh my gosh. Boom. Lucid daily funded stage. First day, 4,410. Auto liquidate threshold 150, 100. So we are static drawdown right now. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That must be insane. That must be insane. I'm gonna walk out and request my first payout from FundedSeat from this account. Let's do it, guys. 250 bucks. So then I'm gonna have my max loss locked. Original balance plus 100. And we're gonna have a great time, I can tell you. I could actually request 3,984. But we're not going to do that. So I could request 3,984. It's the first day. Yeah, this is end of the day till buffer. Right, so on FundedSeat Daily Ultra is end of the day till buffer. Watch out. Watch out, lads. We are smashing you. But I'm just gonna take the minimum. $250 minimum. Here you go. Congratulations. Your payout request for $250. Oh, I can continue trading. They already deducted. Look at that. They already deducted. We have 103, 824, 834. They already deducted, right? And I will be going for long here, guys. Not much. 15 contracts. Nothing wild and crazy. 2 times the cost is a little more than 250. I'm taking the minimum because I want to unlock a lot of this. We've got to long the same thing on my Lucid Daily. Look at that one, guys. It's up a lot. I'm out. 6,247 on my Lucid Daily first day. Boom. What about on the other side? Let me get out of this one too. We just made 700, so cashed. We actually made like 600. Cashed out 250, made 600 in next trade. Boom. Come on. Oh my gosh, what on earth is happening? Boom. So Lucid, we can cash out anything that's above the buffer on Lucid. 4,600 is the buffer. Do the math, guys. Quickly, do the math. How much money can we take out today from Lucid? We got 6,247 and 4,600 is the buffer. Do the math. What, like 1,600 maybe? Yeah. And making more than the request. I am relonging this one, guys. 4 minis. Come on. Build on this one. Build on it, baby. You guys trust the bears at this level? There's supply here. I can confirm that there is supply. So one say 1,600, the other one say 2,100. I don't know how much to request this way, but I'm probably going to request more. Because we are running. And we're making a new round of fresh cash. We got it the same long for our funded seat. How much is here? 1,000? I'll out. Beautiful. 7,300. How much is here? 600, 500, I'm out. We've got 4,858. We are... You know, tomorrow from this funded seat, we can take out 4,500. Tomorrow. And then the Lucid is 7,323. The first day. Let me do the math. 7,323 minus 4,600, the buffer. We can take out 2,700 right now. Out of nowhere. Like some of you enjoy saying, out of nowhere. Boom, out of nowhere. He's making it out of nowhere. What's wrong with him? Well. Well. No, have not been experiencing delays and have not been, no problems or it takes quite a few hours, if not one day, something around that one most of the time. You know, we've been making money with scalps, but we're heavy on sizing. I guess a lot of the people missing this run-up. I can confirm this is hard to be traded. I'm happy for my payout. And this is looking like it wants higher. I guess you guys can confirm that. In this kind of situations, you just have to be careful. with the price action doing those nasty. Congrats on submitting your payout request. Your payout request is currently under review. Once approved, we'll process the payment. Not bad. This kind of price action is always putting up a risk for those 50, 60, 70 points red candles. Oh, congratulations, look at the big profits. We've got to come up with big pockets for this trade. Congratulations, good job. Good job. Yeah, the static blue sky, the propel is a gold mine. Once you feel the taste of a static drawdown, you get the point. I don't think I should press the button here more. I can do up to 12,000, right? I can do up to 12,000. Which is good money. I'm testing out a little long here for this account. We already have, what, $300? Yeah, 330. I'm done with it. 5,161. Look at that. The red candle appears and denies, but I no longer have anything open. Pretty good business. And smooth at the same time. When you're printing, it's smooth. Are they reshorting this price action? Because that's something I could consider longing if they're reshorting this. You guys want to tell me, by the way it looks, this supply, are they reshorting it? I am quick. You gotta be quick I got in a long on my Lucid Daily, 6 minis. On the Lucid Daily funded 6 minis long. I'm just looking for some liquidity sweep for the upside, and I'm fearing no continuation. So I just want to see this one crossing 601, maybe crossing 605. I'm all the way up to 612 for my target, but this is risky, guys. 6 minis. Look at that. We're up 1,000 here. I might just cut it away. Or cut half of it. Yeah, I'm cutting 2 contracts. Another one. So I'm cutting 3 contracts. Half of it sold. Stop loss break even. Leaving this one for a good runner. Give me some good money. For the rest of the contracts I've got. I told you 611, we're 614, 15. I'm probably gonna fully out, yeah. 9,887, guys, the first trading day. On a Lucid Daily funded stage. What's the payout I'm gonna get on this one today? Tell me. What's the payout? Anything above the buffer. Buffer is 4,600. Tell me, guys. This is nuts. 4,600 is the buffer. Tell me what is above the buffer right now. Ha ha ha. 4,600. it's 9,887 minus 4,600. 5,287. So I'm gonna go for a flat round $5,000 payout from here. Today. Everything in the buffer. Everything. This is the daily payouts, no cap model with aggressive trading. This is what it brings. And you're paying $200 for an account like this. 200, 220 right now, something like that. Because it has daily loss limit. It's like, 20 accounts, 25 accounts there. 25 accounts there. 5K. And from the other side, we've cashed out 250. But tomorrow, we can just walk out and take 4,800. I'm not going to do that tomorrow. Probably I'm going to try to build this account a little higher. I'm going to try to build one of these accounts, either from FundedSeat Daily Ultra or from my Lucid, after we get the payouts, higher. Have a 10 grand payout in a day. Ha ha ha. I'm going to try to do that. It's time for the last giveaway. It's time for the last giveaway of the day. We've made enough. We had enough. It's time for the show. What do we need? We need the wheel. We need a ducks. This has been nuts, guys. It's still looking bullish. I'm out of my quant tower. Juan Steven Campo, which are the giveaways you want to give out? Do you have accounts to give out? So, Shubham, you're gonna get time now quickly. Shubham, this guy is he's gonna get time out as long as needed to miss the giveaway. Shubham, you're gonna get timed out as much as it's needed to miss the giveaway. I don't know, what are you guessing? The ones that started. I don't know, what are you guessing? So watch out. Watch out, guys. The first ranked is going to be 50,000 tap on futures. Instant funded. End of the day. Second rank, 25,000 FundedSeat flex. Reading my mind. Not even the market makers have the ability doing that. So you guys should double think about it. 50,000 YREM for the third ranked. Ha 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 ha. You saw today's P&L and performance, and that's the confirmation of my words. There's no statement that's not backed up by the reality. At least not here on my channel. So this is, where are we, guys, sitting? Look at that. 00, 11, single 2, single 7. Let me know for your best choice. How do you participate? You gotta like the video, everyone. Be subscribed, join my Discord, and fill up the form. You perfectly notice things. You perfectly notice things. Right, so make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let me know the best numbers out there. And best of luck, by the way. 00, 11, single 2, single 7. We made a ton today. Way more than expected. We even made 10,000, guys, on the big belly. You guys remember that? We even made 10,000 on the big belly. Which is good, right? Alright, guys, you want to stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Shuffle. We're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. It's not going to be the 0. Could it be the red number 1? Oh, yeah. Could be. We'll see the paddle. Oh. Nice. This is listening. Nice. Casual 10,000 on the opening. You gotta thank Matty for that. He told me to long the opening a minute before. Paddle works perfectly today. Just like everything else, it's printing. Hard, cold, paper money. But it wasn't paper money today. Today it is 5 grand from Lucid Daily. And this is the second payout. The first one was 1,800 from the other account, which is still alive and not traded. We're gonna do that tomorrow as well, Matty. Like never seen before. And 250 from FundedSeat Flex. So this week was what? 7 grand. Alright guys, so let me look up for the winners. Let me look up for the winners. 58 millionaires have secured their spot for a massive race. An unbelievable moment. They gotta deliver. You know, we're gonna have a big one, guys. You guys will compete for a minute. Look at that one. We're ready. Fly, baby. We've got you flying. A minute competition time. Come on. Look at the badger at the top. He's got the green one. Number 60. Oh. Good luck, everyone. "20 seconds to go. I can't see my name, have I? I'm still on the ground. I'm still on the ground. Be It Mopey. Oh. Be It Mopey is a well-known giveaway hunter. Is not going to receive it. Be It Mopey, you're not going to receive this. I'm sorry, but you have not been complying with our rules. So the first winner is going to be Simone. Simone is the first rank that receives it. Muhammad is the second one and the Speed King. Be It Mopey, constantly breaking the rules. He's still celebrating, right? So it's clear for you guys. What are we talking about? Oh, unfortunately. Bad luck today, Be It Mopey. Bad luck today. Better luck next time, you never know. Never know. You never know when you start behaving. Simone. Simone. Congratulations, Simonis. Good job. Next time, better luck next time. Be It Mopey. So, Simone, we got this. You gotta tap on futures. Muhammad, you got a 25,000 flex. And the third one, the Speed King, going for the YRM. The Speed King is there. Good job. Good job. 50,000 YRM. This is where we are, guys. Congratulations once again. We had a great day. I can tell you, I can assure you, we had a huge day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, for watching. We have secured today 250 on FundedSeat Daily Ultra and 5,000 on Lucid Daily. Oh, the best day of the week.